Hello, good day. Your host Klaus on another episode of Daily Analysis. So, I figured out what happened yesterday on the currency pair I wanted to analyze. It turned out yesterday was Saturday, and I had no flipping idea that it was Saturday. Like the days are just running by that I didn't even know that we had gotten to Friday. Talk more of Saturdays. As I went out, then someone mentioned something about the weekends. And I was like, weekends doesn't mean that today is Friday. Then later someone said tomorrow will be Sunday. And I was like, what? I had to check my calendar to be sure of the day. And it turned out that yesterday was Saturday. And I was like, damn, time do fly. Like it was just like 2 to 3 days ago that we just got into the week and we're already getting into another week. So I was like surprised. So anyways, we're going to what we're doing today. Let's see what happened. Yep. Down. We are going in some profit, and you can take here as your TP honestly, because here is going for a buy, probably to get up to here, but that is not kind of assured. You understand? So you could take your TP around this level, which is 50. Let's go to the one. Let's draw a line. Draw the other block, because this is another block here. We have another other block here. So that like a levels where the market has to kind of respect to go down before going up. Then we go to the 1 hour time frame, and if you move this all the way here, you could have been on that. You could have your TP there. That if you put your TP to be this level, yeah. But then let's just see. Let's move it back up. Let's see if it's going to get up to this level. So these are places where the market is going to get up to, retest, then continue to the next probably, or it might just retest all the way out to continue itself. So this was what we did yesterday. Yeah. And today, let's look for what we're gonna do. We should create a copy. I don't know what we're gonna name it. So we should just name it TT for now. Then when we get what we are going to analyze, and we can rename it. So we should go 75 1. Or should we go I should go 75 1. Um I don't this looks okay. Should go, so we'll save this as 75 1. We should go to rename. Weeks 75 1 s. This is what we'll be dealing with today. Let me see if I've done something of that nature before. No. Volatility 75, there was something, I think. Yeah. There was this buy that we saw from that I talked about yesterday. I didn't really get in on it because it was kind of looking not too pure. 'Cause I was expecting it to really get up to here. But based on what I said there, that if it breaks here, it has to come retest the level, which will be here, and it will start going for a buy. And it did that. Though when I came, I was seeing something of this nature and testing. So I drew this. I was like, if it breaks this level, we will retest it, then continue. So we can remove this arrow here, save. So this might be another TP. The way we are targeting is up to this liquidity and not up to this very top unmitigated one here. We'll eventually maybe get up to there, but for now, this is what we have. And I wish I had put this on my chart because this would have been a nice. Wait, let me be sure that I didn't even put it. Okay, I didn't put it on my chart. Also, why I didn't put it was that yesterday, yeah, I was mostly looking at volatility 25. So I was doing kind of mistakes on my phone, yeah, because I went out, so I didn't really have the chance to like look at it that much. And then I even saw a buy on my volatility 25, which I didn't take. I just analyzed it on my mobile. I didn't analyze it on the system. So I didn't take any trade yesterday. I just left it on. So that is that. Eventually, I will start taking on my own trades. But for now, I'm not taking them because my capital is still little. And if I make any mistake, it will like literally damage it. And I'm not like increasing the lot. I'm still using the same lot size for whatever reason. So currently, the account was at $4. So it's currently $38. So I'm still trying to grow the account to probably 100 before I'll say I'll be using higher lot size. I'm still using the lowest lot size on Volatility 75. You can check it out to know what lot size I'm talking about. So back to what we're gonna be doing today. Where is this? Withdraw. High. Honestly, it's looking like a sell. Looks like I want to get up to here before I move up. But that's not sure. Other blocks on the 4 hours, on the daily, sorry. These are other blocks on the daily. Then we'll go to the 4 hours, and the 4 hours will probably be concentrating on this and this. Then we have this still on the daily. Now we'll go to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is what we have. And we have an OB here. It was mitigated, then it went up, had another OB. So you could say this was our shift. These are our shift here to the upside. So let's just put that. These are shifts going up. Then OB, minor OB, yeah. Oh, minor OB, yeah. Went up, went up. up here. I don't think this actually use this will be all that much. I said maybe if I get to the 1 hour time frame, I might see all of that. But for yeah, this was our buys. Will be so then we came for our sell, which is what we're looking at currently. So this was our high, and this was our low. This is our current high on the 4 hours time frame. Then we have our shift. You could say this as our shift. You could say this is our shift. So I'll just use this as our shift. It got mitigated, and then we have an OB. Yeah, this is a fair value gap. So I'll get to the 1 hour time frame. There's a possibility of us seeing something of value.